you cannot stand on one foot for too long. And when we're talking about the importance of having a legal standing while doing business, this is one of the main reasons why many Cameroonian businesses exist only from, I call exist. It's just from a year to 2 years. Some. The ones that really strive to sustain themselves do between 3 to 5 years and they're done. There is a cankerworm that is eating businesses in Cameroon, and that is illegal businesses. Businesses operating without a legal framework. If you have a startup, I want to see your hand up and do it proudly. Be proud to do it, please. I might invest in your business, you don't know. Actually, I'm going to invest in some business here. Thank you. Oh, your hands down. How many of you have license? 1, 2. Goodness. 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 You know you're illegal if you're operating without a license? Do you know you're illegal? Your business is so illegal. You don't have a license, you don't have a taxpayer's card. You are actually robbing the system, the state, and yourself. It's not like you're actually robbing the system or the state alone. It is about you, because you having a license protects you in the very first place. That's the first thing. You're protected. Most of these people out here pay taxes. I was with someone that said they were paying a certain tax that they didn't know why they were paying that tax. Just simply because they did not understand that there is that faction. There is, you know, there's some phony guys within, I will not say government, that actually will go out there, you know what I mean, and say, you have to pay this tax, you have to pay this tax, you have to pay that tax. And at the end of the year, they find out that they're spending more than $1 million plus. I'm asking, like, how much do you make? How much is your net profit at the end of the year? And you're spending this much on tax, which if you just have your license, you have everything. The Cameroon tax system is so amazing that you are the one to declare your tax at the end of the month. Nobody has to come to you. You declare it. That's the amazing part of it. But we're not saying that you should lie about it. You understand? That's the point. How many of us here, okay, how many of you have lawyers? How many of you have lawyers? Oh, okay, 1, 2, 3, good. How many of you have friends, as you know, just you have a friendship with lawyers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6. Please, I want to tell you that each and everyone within this room, apart from the judges and the rest of the other people, any business that you're doing, even if it's just a software, you have to have your license. You have to have a legal framework in which you actually operate, without which you're illegal. And there are some very key pillars that sustain each and every business. If you don't have lawyers as friends, you are miserable. Because you can do something thinking that it's good, but your ignorance of the law is not what? Talk to me. Ignorance of the law is not what? I know we know the time has passed. You understand? You have to have your license. You have to have a taxpayer's card. I cannot overemphasize on that. You stood on your one leg here, and you know very well that if we continue for 5 minutes, some people will collapse. That is just it. And as an investor, I always tell people that I don't invest in businesses. I'm not interested in just business. Your business, you can tell me, oh, it's going to be amazing. You know, every startup, every owner, or maybe, if you would, some people like the title CEO. I give it to you, Madam CEO, Mr. CEO. If you don't have a legal standing, personally, I can't invest in your business. I'm really sorry.